welcome to the 40 Customs Battery Position Swap. In this video, we will guide you through how to install and swap the battery position from the top tank position to the lower adventure style position using a battery extension cable. First, we remove the battery. Next, unbolt the battery holder from the bike frame. Cut the zip tie, securing the protective cover beneath the seat. With the area exposed, find the battery connector and unscrew the lock ring before disconnecting the battery. Remove the rubber in the frame for better guidance of the cable. Pull the battery mount cable out of the frame. With the battery mount removed from the bike, connect the extension cable to the battery mount cable. Guide the cable through the frame reinforcement plate hole back to the opening in the frame. Pull the cable through the frame. Connect the battery mount cable connector, zip tie the protective cover back in place. Mount the battery holder to the lower position. Slide the battery back into place, and you're all done. Make sure to check out our other installation videos, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching and ride safe.